Hello, welcome to Lubus. We'll see the maxim a priori. That is an argument or reasoning to the cause to the effect. So we'll have some examples and case laws for the better understanding of this maxim. These all are maxims with A. Okay, so we'll see a priori. Let's move on to the video. So a priori, the maxim a priori, meaning argument or reasoning from cause to consequence or effect. This is a priori. So a priori reasoning involves drawing conclusions or making inferences based on existing legal principles or doctrines or rules. So whatever rules are now, it's available now. It will be applied for the existing things, not for the things which is derived from the evidences or all sorts of things. Okay, I hope you have understood. We'll see an example so that you have a fair and good, you can follow it with a good idea. Once if you understood this example, you can go back to the definition once again so that you will understand it in a better way. For example, all bachelors are unmarried. So who is called a bachelor? Bachelor is defined as unmarried person. So if a person is called a bachelor, it's understood that he's unmarried. No, a married person is not called a bachelor, or a divorcee is not called a bachelor. Hope you understood with this example. Okay, this is a well-known established English case which dealt with whether necessity could be a defense to the charge of murder. So when you learn your private defenses in your IPC or BNS, you will see this case. So what was the facts or what was involved in this case? We'll see. The case involved a group of men, shipmen. They were shipyards, they were on sale, and the sale was for many months. What happened was that they were short of food. They went they went short of food at that extent that they were thinking of killing a person, another person in the ship, and eat. This was the crucial situation in this case. Okay, so what happened? They were starving for food, and what at the end what they did was that they killed and ate one of their companions. So you can imagine how hard it is. So while you are in a crew and you are short of food and you are mid of the sea, you cannot do anything, and you are there for months and things, and there's no hope of life, no hope of anything to have. So this was the condition, pure necessity. You can say like you are starving for food for months and sort of things. You can imagine. I'm saying so like you can imagine the situation. Okay. So this is the condition. Hope you understood. So what happened? They killed a person, the companion with them. They killed and ate. So and after this, they went this court and all how somehow they reached, and it was found that the person is murdered. So what do you call that? The court applied a priori reasoning in deciding that necessity could not be a defense to murder. Understood? So even necessity, you cannot say, you cannot defend this. It cannot be a defense to murder. In this case, it was that they were starving for food, and you cannot. So I'm starving for food, so I killed that person. It's not. It cannot be. Cannot imagine that situation. So this was the thing which a priori reasoning which the court applied. The conclusion was based on the legal principle that taking an innocent life, regardless of the circumstances, could not be justified under the law. You are taking an innocent person's life. The defense, private defense, is when you forcibly see that you are having a think that intuition that you are going to be harmed or you are going to be killed. That time, any or sure necessity, this is the private defense things are applied. you in your IPC classes you will see. But here it is that this was an innocent person. He didn't do any harm to the other person, but they killed this person, they eat. So this court held us this is not justified in any sort of things. Any court, any law, it cannot justify your part that you're hungry and you were starving. All this is understood, but it cannot be justified. You're taking an innocent person's life. It cannot be justified in the court of law. So here the court also understands that this was a tragic situation and there was no other go, no other things to do. They cannot survive without any, cannot survive without food for any other seconds, since they were starving for months and all. So this is very necessary situation in one hand. In another hand, they are taking the life of an innocent person, so which cannot be justified in any court of law. So here also the court applied the principle of a priori. This is already decided things, already prescribed things, already the things are already there. They decided according to a priori things, and the decision was taken by the court. So the key characteristics of a priori reasoning in legal law cases. This is application of general principles. They apply the general principles. There is some doctrines, some principles, constitutional principles, or widely recognized precedents. Already there are established precedents. If there is a such thing like that, the court applies that. This is the main characteristics of a priori principle. Okay. The second one is theoretical or doctrinal basis. A priori principles relies on abstract legal concept. Example, the rule of law, separation of powers, individual rights. Need not have a factual analysis on this. Like a priori is applied when no need of factual analysis. This is already theoretical doctrinal basis can be applied. It's already recognized precedence exists. So they take up that only. When predictive power is that when already established things are there, and when a similar cases occur, you can apply the precedent. This is already written. So this is a priori. Hope you have got a idea of this. So once again, what is a priori? Argument or reasoning from cause to consequence or effect. So that's all. We'll see you with the next video. Thank you.